Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the mid to bottom side of the phone. So right over here. I should also add left side specifically. So once you find the tray, you push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray will pop out. And from here you can just yank it out, and you will have space for just a single SIM card. Place the card on the tray like so, and then insert it back into your device. And that's all you need to do. The card should start working right away. And the card that I have inserted is actually disabled, but it will still allow me to show you that it is being recognized by going into the settings and then mobile services. And I think that's basically everything that we have. So if I take out the SIM card, this page, it will disappear entirely. So there it is. Now, one more thing that I'll add is you can also add an eSIM or right over here if you have such a thing, which basically you can do in two different ways. It's either through a QR code scanning or through, I think, like a 6-digit number or something like that. Not exactly sure. Never have added it, but I know that QR code scanning is one of the options. So you could do so if you wanted to. So anyway, with this being said, this is how you insert your SIM card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.